Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this look. If you guys like this look, make sure you guys go ahead and keep on watching. So I'm going to be transferring the spikies into Chinese bangs, and I absolutely wanted to try this out, especially with renewing my spikies, because I kind of just felt like I was just getting tired of that. Let's put that over to the side and let's work on this. Not this, but my bangs, because I really wanted me some full bangs, especially with the thin, straight bang part at the top. That's just what I was going for. I don't know, but I kind of just wanted something new just for today. I'll probably just change it up tomorrow. That's just how I am. I love to go in and re-switch my pixie cuts out. So if you guys like this look, make sure you guys go ahead and keep on watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. lace it out so I can, you know, see a little bit of my forehead, because that's what I like. Honestly, just cut it straight down the line because I kind of just feel like that's the style. And I like the full bang, so it did give me enough space to like give me some bangs and stuff. So yeah, this is the finished look, guys. I just want to like fresh cut my hair, if that even made sense. But I did want to like rearrange my spikes into Chinese bangs. So that's just something that I was going for. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give this a big thumbs up. Also subscribe down below and let me know what you guys thought about this video, and I'll see you guys back in another video. Keep it Hollywood. That's my niche. I'll see y'all back in another video.